This is a real well-built, heavy-duty flatbed for a truck. Give us a call at 215-651-8329. This is off an F-350. This is a huge pile of pots for nursery business available. Let me know what you need. 215-651-8329. And over here we have some iron pipe, some snow fencing that's in need of a home, and some heavy grates. Again, there's quite a few pots there. This fill dirt is $10 a yard, loaded on your truck. Just come to 5275 West Swamp Road. Let us know in advance. We'll have a loader here and we can load it up for you. It's $10 a yard, fill dirt, all you want. This is a Massey Ferguson 2705 farm tractor. Runs real good. We use it all the time, but we're going to be using it less in the next year, so we'll just sell it. It's probably around 125 horsepower. We also have a 10-foot Howard rototiller, real heavy rototiller on it. Just give us a call, 215-651-8329. We have several varieties of this stone here. This is a red tipple, riverjack, and pea gravels. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. We'll sell these also by 5-gallon buckets. They're bring your own bucket, a 5-gallon bucket. It's $4 a bucket for stone. Or if you want to buy it by the yard, you can. This is Bill Hurst. I'm here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. This is one of our fields that's being sold for development this year. And there's going to put 450 houses in here. It's probably going to be Pulte homes. And they're going to break ground either this spring or in this fall, depending on when the sewer plant gets finished. And because of that, we're not going to be able to use these trees. So all these trees are going to be given away to charitable organizations, schools, and municipalities, as long as you can provide a paper that says you're a 5013C and there's a charitable donation. We'll give them to you. These trees are in here are river birch trees, but there are a lot of different types of trees in the field. If you're a private individual and you need trees, the only trees in here that we're giving away to private individuals are these large river birch trees. You would have to bring a large tree spade, and you probably have to hire someone with a tree spade, like a 60-inch spade or a 90-inch spade, and they can get in here. We have areas to get them in, and you can have them. But for schools, churches, and 5013C organizations, we will dig a lot of the smaller stock out and have it available for free, F-R-E-E. So if you bring a truck, you can get a load of trees, and if you bring a pickup truck, you just get maybe 1 or 2. But you know, we will have trees available. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. Thank you. We used the drip irrigation out in this field in planting green giant arborvitaes, and we did this about 2 years ago, and we did not lose but maybe 5 seedlings in the whole field. It's a perfect way of doing it. This drip irrigation here that's right here is free. You can come and get it. You can get a 500-foot length of it if you want. Just give us a call, 215-651-8329. We only use it for a year or two ourselves, but it's got plenty of life left into it. And you don't have to buy it. It's free, absolutely free. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. Highland Hill Farm, Fountainville, PA. This is a 5,000-foot roll of Arnetafin. This is a drip irrigation line that we sell. It has a drip water spigot every 24 inches that drips a little. These are some of the many different types of trees we have available at Highland Hill Farm. Properly placed landscaping can help you cut your heating and cooling costs. Let us help you design a windbreak, a barrier, or a screen to do just that. Give us a call at 215-651-8329. It's no cost to you for planning. We do this all the time for our customers. We supply different kinds of screens and buffers depending upon your location and the characteristics of your location, i.e., do you have deer? Is it open? Is it sunny? Is it wet? So give us a call at 215-651-8329 so we can help you with your selection. Thank you.